Do you love listening to music? Well, me too! And what if I tell you that in today's video, you can make money online just by simply listening to music? Sounds cool, right? We will all enjoy this method because I personally love listening to music. It makes me relaxed, it makes us happy. Listening to music can be our hobby too. Imagine doing our hobbies can help us earn money. I just want you to listen carefully and watch carefully because this method is not that simple. Like you will go to YouTube, listen to some music, and you will earn some money. We have steps and procedures to follow, and that is why I need you to watch this video until the very end. But don't worry, this method is beginner friendly. You do not need to be tech savvy or you do not need to be a professional when it comes to music. Also, this method is available worldwide. Isn't that great? Even if you're living from the edge of the world and you have an internet connection, don't worry, you can still count your easily earned money on your hand. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive into the intro. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. So here's how much money you can make in this method. $4 for listening to one song, $100 for listening to 25 songs, and you can earn as much as $200 for listening to 50 songs. And the good news about this is, you can do this over and over again. All you need is a cell phone or any device that is available in your home. So this method is extremely simple and free. No money is needed in this video. I will show you how to set all this up in a step-by-step tutorial. So pay attention to every second of this video because I am going to give you guys some hidden tips and tricks to potentially double or even triple your online income. So to begin, I would like you guys to go to YouTube and type in the keyword The Top Music 2021. When you press enter, you will be presented with a number of different playlists to choose from. Now there are hundreds of songs and playlists you can listen to. So I will be showing you a real life example of what we're going to do to start making this passive income work. I am going to listen to the 3 playlists right now. As you can see, this is playlist number 1, this is playlist number 2, and this is playlist number 3. So that is all there. So that will be our step number 1, which is to open 3 playlists on YouTube. For step number 2, I'd like you guys to go to this website right here. Basically, what this website allows us to do is we can shorten our URL using this website. This website can help us gain a lot of money and you can get paid anytime someone visits our link. As you can see, here on the top of the website there is a long URL link to our YouTube playlists. So when someone clicks on this link, automatically we will get paid. So all you have to do now is copy this YouTube link and go back to this website, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the shortened URL button right here. After that, press this button and this website will automatically shorten the long URL, and all you have to do is click on copy. And that is it! Easy, right? But we are not done yet. So stay tuned until the very end of this video. So now I am going to show you how much money you can make with this website. The amount of money you can receive by watching this video will vary based on your visitor's country. Sometimes you will make a lot of money and other times you will just make a few bucks. So make sure to keep watching the video in order to maximize your earnings. Now this website will pay you for all valid visitors you bring to your links, and they will pay you at least $15 for 1,000 views. The amount of money they will pay you will now be determined by the country from which your visitors are coming from. So for example, if your visitors come from Australia, you will receive $5, while visitors from the United Kingdom, they will pay you $4.3. If your visitors come from the United States, they will pay you $4.1 and so on. As a result, no matter which country your link visitors come from, you will always receive at least $1.5. So it's still a good deal because we are still earning money. Before we proceed with this video, I would like to know my viewers better, and I want to know which country you guys are watching from right now. So guys, please leave a comment down below by answering which country you are watching from, so that I will know where most of my viewers are coming from. Now let's go back to the tutorial. And this website is called ouo.io. Anyways, this is a great way to make money online by listening to music on YouTube. So pay close attention right now because I'm going to show you how to sign up for this website. What I want you to do is click on the sign up button right here. You will be directed to the sign up page where you will create a brand new free account in less than 60 seconds. So all you have to do is fill in the form by entering your username, your email, your password, and confirm your password. After that, click on sign up button right here. And that's it! Once you've created your account, your screen should look like this. When you're on your dashboard, you can click on this new shorten link button right here. What you want to do is copy the URL links from the YouTube playlist you selected earlier. Then click on this red button right here. The website will automatically generate the shortened link for you, and anytime someone visits your link, you will be able to get money online based on where they are coming from. After you've successfully shortened the links, return to your dashboard and click on this link section right here. You will then be able to see all of the links you've created. So here are the 3 shortened links that this website created for you. This brings us to step number 3. Now for step number 3, we need to go to this website called linkter.ee. This is a free website where ordinary people like you and me can use to build a page like this. So we want to use Linktree because it can help us earn 5 to 6 times more money for this method. So remember step number 1, where I asked you to find 3 playlists on YouTube and we will shorten those links? However, using Linktree can combine 6 links into 1 page. And anyone who clicks on these links will be redirected to YouTube song playlists you selected earlier. The more people who visit your link, the more money you will receive. So to sign up for Linktree, simply click on this button right here, then you will be redirected to this tab where you can simply fill out the form like you would on any other website. When you have your account, click on this button under the links section to add a new link. Then enter one of the 3 shortened links we have, so you can just copy and paste it right here. Next, we return to YouTube and copy the title. Because since Linktree can carry up to 6 links, you can now repeat those 6 steps right here, and that is pretty much it. There's a little summary section right here, and once you're done, you just go ahead and press copy, because this is the main link that we will be sharing. This method is absolutely cool because after shortening those links, we can just earn money just by sharing those links that we've created. Also, you can share some links that contain not just music, but anything that looks interesting and you will know that people will visit them. Like some articles, some books, maybe some people can go visit those links that you will create. Also, you can use this website, which is Linktree, if you have any other websites, any pages, or any advertisements that you want to share for your own purposes. Like if you have a business or some products to share, you can use this website to go over and share those with just only 1 link. So the people who will visit it will not go over to all of your websites and pages. To actually finish the steps, I want you to go over to reddit.com and click on this blue button right here to sign up for a free account. If you don't have one already, you can sign up with your Google account, Apple account, or even your email address. I suggest that you use your Google account because it is much faster and easier to use. Once you've created an account you want, search for the term in music that you want to click on this page called r/music. As you can see, this is a music forum with over 28 million users in this community. And as we scroll down, we see many people posting music videos and playlists. Now this is a fantastic strategy because we can share our free links here, and when people visit your page and click on your links, you can start earning money without having to do anything. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have any questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comment section down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!